But before going to the video, we are having few announcements here. And here we are having few new courses, master course for those who are into beginner and want to start their journey into bug bounty. You guys can definitely take a look at the master course. It's gonna be around 50 days with tons of content in it, so make sure you pause the video, check it out. Now to those who are not into bug bounty but want to level up their skills in a great amount, make sure you go to the elite one, because in this one it's completely hands-on. We have reported almost few bugs every session, so make sure to check this one out and level up your journey in the best possible way. And now for those into Android bug bounty, yeah, this one is for you. Definitely it's a recorded one, you can watch it at your own pace. But and also this one is the recording of a live course, so you are gonna get tons of content. And make sure you also take a look at this particular part. And tip, JS code review. As you guys know how important a source code review would be, this is gonna be having a lot of details into him, lot of labs, lot of resources in it. So make sure you pause the video and take a look at the syllabus. And I guess that was for it. All the links are shared in the description, so make sure to check them out and get your discount. So here we are at another our computer screen again, and this is about the reflected XSS. In global product gateway, having a feature of PanOS software. So in short, it's a PanOS based reflected XSS that you guys can find, still accessible into many systems that you guys might be having. Make sure you have a look at all this type of things, because they are gonna be a very easy rewarding if they give, but it's really easy to detect all this type of CVs. And while in our classes we have made templates and we have reported tons of it. Now let me show you the search bar only. As you can see, we have reported too many of them. Now let me open any of them. Few of them are also been rewarded into few categories, so we'll also show that in the last part. So here's the simple CV. As you can see, I have a lot of things blurred out here. Just a minute, let me open a simpler one. Okay, here we are. So as you can see, vulnerability name is here, XSS. It's in the global product gateway in Palo Alto PanOS unauthenticated. Easy to trigger, dangerous if paired with phishing or session hijacking. As I said, it has been very well clearly said here. It is really easy to play with and really well managed if you guys want to hunt it over the platforms or any program that you have. Alright. So first thing first, you might be having a question, how we have found this much in very small time. So see, we all have made a file where we have around most public programs from VDPs, platforms, and also invites. We have found all their subdomains, did the HTTPX, also found all the IPs and found all the open ports available. It took a lot of time, but that particular file has been used to do mass hunting and all this type of things, and that has been a great resource for all of us in this whole time. Alright, so that's what something we have been doing from this much time, and that is something which has been really rewarding into all this type of aspects, so we can do perform a live hunt and all this type of things. Alright, so it is as simple as that. As you guys can see, the payload is here. Here's the steps to reproduce. You have to target a specific endpoint, which is this one, as you guys can see here, and it's really easy to detect. Also, if you want to find nuclear templates, there are available for it. So as I said, the templates are easily available for it. As you guys can see, PanOS reflected XSS, simple as that. Here's the payload, here's the endpoint that you can use, and yeah, this template is kind of easy. So even if you have a program that you guys want to use it for automated testing, do it right now. You just don't want to be late over this particular type of CV, because this has been into a rewarding in a good amount of time. So make sure you get this thing. If you're on a VDP, you might get somewhere around 80, 100 or $200 for it, and if it's a good VDP program, maybe around 300. You can try escalating it, and that can into a good amount of rewards. Also, while you are into classes, we have reported few students have reported few, and let me show you if there are few bounties there in the email. As you can see, there are a few responses that we have got over that. This is the first one. Here is another response that you guys might want to take a look on. And also now let me show you a bounty. And here you guys can see you guys can definitely get a lot of bounties if you do this very well. It's not that much hard, but we have done it in the initial part and we got few bounties over there. So make sure you guys also have a look over this particular CV. Everything will be in the particular description, so make sure to check it out. And yeah, That was for the video. See you guys in the next video. If you guys want to take a look at the batch, make sure you are in the description. Have a good day. So that was for the video. Thanks for watching. All the links I said I will be available in the description, so make sure to check all of them out and see you guys in the next video.